Central idea of the poem. The poem emphasizes the need to keep silent for a moment and do nothing. It calls for self-introspection so that we can understand what we are doing. The poet, Pablo Neruda, asks us to stop wars, hate, pollution, killing of animals, and hurting ourselves as well as others. He wants us to spare some time to go deep into the soul. For Neruda, silence is a universal language, and hence, when silence prevails, there will be no language barriers or miscommunications. Hence, we will all be one, without any greed or hate. There will be unity and fraternity, brotherhood. The poet believes that this silence will change our perspective and thinking, because it does not mean inactivity but patience like nature.
कविता का सार। कविता एक क्षण के लिए मौन रहने और कुछ न करने के लिए बल देती है। यह आत्मविश्लेषण करने के लिए प्रेरित करती है, जिससे हम समझ सकें हम क्या कर रहे हैं। कवि पेब्लो नेरुडा हमें युद्ध रोकने, घृणा, प्रदूषण, पशुओं को मारने और स्वयं के साथ साथ अन्यों को आहत न करने के लिए कहते हैं। वह चाहते हैं कि हम कुछ समय निकालकर अंतरात्मा को गहराई से देखें। नेरुडा के लिए मौन सार्वभौमिक भाषा है, और इस कारण जब मौन होगा तब कोई भाषा अवरोध या गलतफहमी नहीं होगी। इस प्रकार हम बिना लालसा और घृणा के होंगे। उस समय एकता और बंधुत्व, भाईचारा होगा। कवि मानता है कि यह मौन हमारा दृष्टिकोण और विचार बदल देगा, क्योंकि इसका अर्थ निष्क्रियता नहीं है, किंतु प्रकृति के समान धैर्य होता है।
Stanza-wise explanation of the poem. Now we will count to 12 and we will all keep still. For once on the face of the earth let's not speak in any language, let's stop for 1 second and not move our arms so much. Reference: the given lines are taken from the poem Keeping Quiet, written by Pablo Neruda. Context: in these lines, the poet asks everybody to count to 12 and stay still without talking or moving too much. Explanation: the poet urges each one of us to count up to 12 and then be quiet. The poet might have used the phrase, count to 12, as there are 12 hours represented on a clock, or as there are 12 months in a year. He might have wanted the people to keep still as long as they could. He wants a moment of silence on the earth when no language is spoken. In this way, there will be no language barrier between people. No harsh words will be spoken. In this moment of silence, the poet doesn't want anyone to work or be violent.
संदर्भ प्रस्तुत पंक्तियां पाब्लो नरूडा द्वारा लिखित कविता कीपिंग क्वाइट से ली गई हैं। प्रसंग: इन पंक्तियों में कवि सभी को 12 तक गिनती गिनने एवं अत्यधिक बोलने अथवा हिले बिना स्थिर रहने को कहता है। व्याख्या: कवि हम सभी से 12 तक गिनती गिनने एवं उसके पश्चात मौन होने का आग्रह करता है। कवि ने संभवतः वाक्यांश 12 तक गिनो का प्रयोग इसलिए किया है क्योंकि घड़ी में 12 घंटे होते हैं एवं एक वर्ष में 12 महीने होते हैं। वह संभवतः यह चाहता था कि लोग तब तक स्थिर रहें जब तक वे रह सकते हैं। वह धरती पर एक मौन क्षण ऐसा चाहता है जहां कोई भी भाषा न बोली जाए। इस प्रकार लोगों के बीच भाषा की कोई रुकावट नहीं होगी। कोई भी कठोर शब्द नहीं बोले जाएंगे। इस मौन के क्षण में कवि नहीं चाहता कि कोई काम करे या हिंसक हो।
It would be an exotic moment without rush, without engines, we would all be together in a sudden strangeness. Reference: the given lines are taken from the poem Keeping Quiet, written by Pablo Neruda. context, in the given lines, the poet says that the moment be a great moment and it will bring all of us closer. Explanation: the poet feels that such a moment of silence would be an unusual and exciting one. It will have miraculous consequences. There will be no hurry or the sound of machines to pollute the atmosphere. It will be a strange and unfamiliar moment with stillness all around. In this unusual period, the bonds of humanity will get stronger.
संदर्भ प्रस्तुत पंक्तियां पाब्लो नरूडा द्वारा लिखित कविता कीटिंग क्वाइट से ली गई हैं। प्रसंग प्रस्तुत पंक्तियों में कवि कहता है कि यह क्षण एक महान क्षण होगा तथा वह क्षण हम सभी को एक दूसरे के समीप ले आएगा। व्याख्या: कवि का यह मानना है कि शांति, मौन का ऐसा क्षण एक असामान्य एवं रोमांचक क्षण होगा। इसके परिणाम चमत्कारिक होंगे। उस समय कोई शीघ्रता नहीं होगी एवं वातावरण को दूषित करने वाली मशीनों की ध्वनियां भी नहीं होगी। वह एक विचित्र एवं असामान्य क्षण होगा जिसमें चारों ओर स्थिरता होगी। इस असामान्य समय में मानवीयता के संबंध मजबूत बनेंगे।
Read the extract given below and answer the questions that follow. Now we will count to 12 and we will all keep still. For once on the face of the earth, let's not speak in any language. Let's stop for 1 second and not move our arms so much. Question 1. How long does the poet want to stay still?
कवि कितनी देर तक स्थिर रहना चाहता है?
Answer. The poet urges each one of us to count up to 12 and remain still for 1 second. Question 2. Describe the pun on the word arms.
आर्म्स शब्द के द्व्यर्थी प्रयोग का वर्णन कीजिए।
Answer. Arms has two meanings: hands and weapons. So, the poet wants us to be still, i.e., not moving our hands, and also not fight, i.e., not use weapons. Question 3. What does he hope to achieve by keeping quiet?
मौन रहकर कवि क्या प्राप्त करने की आशा करता है?
Answer. The poet hopes that by keeping quiet we will get an opportunity to introspect. The strange stillness will give a feeling of togetherness. Question 4. What does the poet mean by not move our arms so much?
कवि का not move our arms so much से क्या तात्पर्य है?
Answer. The poet wants us not to move our arms so much because physical activity leads to stopping our introspection. Not moving our arms also suggests stopping all kinds of violence. Question 5. What is the significance of the number 12?
अंक 12 का क्या महत्व है?
Answer. The significance of the number 12 is that there are 12 hours in a clock and 12 months in a year. The poet wanted people to stay still as long as they could. It would be an exotic moment without rush, without engines. We would all be together in a sudden strangeness. Question 1. What would be an exotic moment?
एक आकर्षक क्षण कौन सा होगा?
Answer. The moment of stillness and quietness would be an exotic moment. Question 2. Why would it be exotic?
वह क्षण आकर्षक क्यों होगा?
Answer. The moment will be exotic because it will initiate peace and brotherhood. In the strange moment there would be quietness all around. Question 3. What would be the result of all being together?
सबके एक साथ एकत्रित होने का क्या परिणाम होगा?
Answer. The result of all being together will be that there will be no discrimination, which will foster harmony and brotherhood. Question 4. Explain sudden strangeness. Sudden strangeness. Answer. Sudden strangeness means that it will be something unusual, as there is total silence and a moment of togetherness. Those who prepare green wars, wars with gas, wars with fire, victory with no survivors, would put on clean clothes and walk about with their brothers in the shade, doing nothing. Question 1. Name the different kinds of war mentioned in the above lines. What does the poet mean by green wars?
ऊपर दी गई पंक्तियों में उल्लेखित विभिन्न युद्धों के नाम लिखिए। हर एक युद्धों से कवि का क्या तात्पर्य है?
Answer. Green were wars against nature, wars with poisonous gassy, and wars with firearms are the different kinds of war. Green wars means wars against the environment. Warring nations keep on developing new weapons to wage war against the environment. Question 2. Explain victory with no survivors.
विजय जिसमें कोई जीवित नहीं रहा की व्याख्या कीजिए।
Answer. The poet wants to convey the message that war brings destruction and leaves none to celebrate victory. No one can gain anything by waging wars. Question 3. What does the poet want the warmongers to do?
कवि के अनुसार युद्ध की आग भड़काने वाले लोगों को क्या करना चाहिए?
Answer. The poet wants the warmongers to put on clean clothes, the clean clothes symbolizing shedding their evil ways to make peace with their brothers. Explain wars with gas, wars with fire. Wars with gas, wars with fire. Answer. Wars with gas, wars with fire refers to the new technologies that are used to fight with each other and which lead to total destruction.
थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग। वीडियो को लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।